Asamudia scarf. Pataka, Tripatako, Atapataka, Katarimgaha, Mayuraksho, Atachandracha, Arala, Sudatumrataka, Mustisha, Shikaragesha, Kavita, Katakamgaha, Mustisha, Shikaragesha, Kavita, Katakamgaha, Mustisha, Shikaragesha, Kavita, Katakamgaha, Chuchi, Chandrakela, Balmagosha, Shalpisha, Mgashisha, Sipamwaha, Kangulasha, Halamatmataka, Chaturo, Bamarachevar, Amshasho, Amshaman Sataka, Samdamso, Muklacheva, Tangreshomva, Trisholataka, Ilya, Asamutta Snana, Asham Shadi Didiga.
Thank you so much.